And I'm gonna just apply this right on the diagonal cascades down. Okay, just one coat. And cure for 30 seconds, flash cure. I love this color. It's just so cool and stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a gold gel, the gel painting golden touch. Using the twin tip brush. And draw just a little simple lines. I love this, the finished look of the golden touch. You can also using is chamfer foil gels as well, okay? To create is more of the effects. All right, so cure for 60 seconds. Flash cure for 30 seconds. Because when you're still working on the nail, so you can cure it completely full by the end of the procedures. And I'm gonna probably get a couple of this. I like that one also. Which one should I do? Maybe this one. All right. So I'm gonna do, to get it a really perfect of chamfer the stickers, I'm gonna do is a 4D gels and created a 3D flowers. I'm gonna put the completely the no wipe top coat on the top. Here for 30 seconds. So now with this is design, either you're gonna using a cacaos, a darker color brows for the fall, or you can able to do it is I'm looking for my 4D gels. Maybe on that the orange. But it's okay, if we don't have it, we can get the cacaos. I'm good with that. It's in the box right there. No, in the box, black box there on the bottom shelf. It's been moving and a lot of stuff. It's just relocated sometime. But it's okay, we can use it. Cacao, I'm loving it. So I am, before that, we're gonna put some of the super adorable designs on. Give it just a second. And add the flowers. And then the smaller flowers. Can't find it. Yay. All right, I found my sweet orange, which is, I am absolutely loving it. It's not open yet. Haha. It's okay. We'll open the new one. I think I do have a sweet orange open already. But it's okay. I want to match in this. Either you can use cacao or you can use the need set the knife. Let's open the sweet orange. I'm loving it. It's perfect for it looks really pretty. It looks so cool though. If you don't want anything else, you just want a crystal placement, just top coat and key for 60 seconds and yours good to go. If you want to get some cute nails, cute designs, it's okay, you don't have to get it all. Okay, gotcha. So awesome. Sweet orange from the 40 gels. I know where my other jar is somewhere, but it's gonna pick up a smaller portions. I'm gonna show you. It's really simple, easy. There's so many different flowers that I would love to share with you. Do it. So one petal, two petals, and if you want to get them all like the same, I try not to touch my hands because my hands had an oil on. So when you're doing a top coat and then your hands have the oil and you keep touching on the surface of it, might make it harder for it to stay on. All right, make sure close it. Sweet orange is so sweet. It's just so beautiful. It's perfect for like all season, especially for the Halloween, fall. So we need is nothing but this really easy and simple 3D brush. So all you need to do is press it down and release. Same thing with this. And then you just like doing a start first. You don't have to perfect your paddle yet, okay? Get it down first. And then now you can perfect them. Little first. How everyone doing? I hope this picture of live videos, tutorials will bring you a lot of inspirations. It's helped you a lot with your business. The 40 gels, the best thing about 40 gels is not going to cure until you are going to, not going to dry until you are going to cure under LED lights, which is mean you have all the time in the world to play with your products. I mean, you don't have to worry about it's gonna set or dry on you. So make sure that this turns out like a round shape to make your flowers looks really nice. And you can make it your petal to be pointed on the leaf or the petals, or you can get it as round like this. Either way. All right, flash cure first. And do two more petals. That's a smaller size than the one we just had. Can I get the nails, please? And then on the second petals, we're gonna do it right in between the first two petals. Yeah, thank you.
Yep, and just a quick note for everyone. So all product names we're using in today's video, you can find them on Glitz Success and such.com. And if you have trouble finding any product, you can DM us, email us, and we will be sure to help you find the ones you need.
And then I am gonna do, let's start with the 2 first, because you can definitely add more. I'm gonna press it down, same thing. Don't have to do is really aggressive. Press down, release. Press down and let's go. This is so simple, not difficult at all. And you don't have to do so much to manipulate with this. Smaller one. And you know what's the best thing about it? If you feel like too big of the beads, you just remove it and put the new one on. Or if you feel it too little, like you see that me doing it, and you can just add more. And if you feel like little tacky layers on your tips of your 3D Duo brush, you can go ahead and using your alcohol and cleaning up. You do not need alcohol to manipulating your flowers, because it already does itself. When you start sculpting it, you only use alcohol when you need to clean the tip of the Duo brush. That's all you need. So cute. Oh my gosh, so adorable. I don't know how I can show you. It looks really good in my end. I think it's just so bright. All right. It's hard to see though, but it's so beautiful and it's so easy to do. All right, put this on flash key. I'm gonna put just a couple leaves only. The smaller one. So when I'm talking about small, you get that much small. Okay. Just perfect for fall. I'm going to add just a little bit of beads or the crystal on the middle. All right. Maybe a little ones on the top. When I say little, it's just like tiny one. Like tiny, tiny. So pick up the portion you want and just roll it to the smaller beads. Place it on the nails. It already have a top coat on, so you're using a wipe top coat here for 30 seconds, and it will actually help the 40 gel bonding so much easier. So I'm gonna do a press it down and let's go. Same thing with these petals. Press down and let's go. Don't using too heavy-handed pressure. You just need like really, really gentle. It's like press down. And you let's go. If you want to leave to be bigger, longer, add some more 40 gels. And it's a great thing about you can change your mind if you feel like you're doing, oh, I want the leaf to be longer. I want some more leaves. You can add more right here. Or I want my leaf to be a little bit smaller for the smaller, shorter nails. You can absolutely add it on or remove it. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna flash key it really quick. Probably a 10-second even. And I am going to add some beads on. I'm gonna show you some really cool though. Now we're gonna using this Pixie, the Precision Glue Gels. I love it when it comes in a little bit smaller and details. So it's a thinner formulas of the compare with condensed glue gels. Condensed glue gel way thicker. And Precision glue gel is thinner, so then you can go in between the edges and the gap. The last step from the crystal placements, crystal trifecta. But in this beautiful design, so only needs a couple beads on the nails on the center of the flower. So then we're using a precision glue gel to create it that look. Okay, you can add bigger beads, which is come in the crystal kits, but you can get a smaller one. Add more beads if you want to along with this. So if you want to add more beads, I'm going to show you, then we're going to need a little bit more of the condensed glue gels on the side. And just running along. I just want it some right here. You can using a twin tip as well, but sometime in the twin tip is getting details on it, and I don't want it to get into the flowers. You don't need to top coat the flowers because the flowers are already done. It's already completely clear and they're tag free, so you don't have to go your top coat over it at all. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the no wipe top coat. And I'm going to do a little bit details here. They looks frigging awesome and stunning, and it just doesn't take much work at all. I'm just more like in detail to show you, so then when you're doing it, you can follow the step-by-step I share with you. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple beads right there. One bead here, one bead right there. But now I am going to using the twin tip brush and pick up some of the condensed glue gels and no white top coat. Pick up more beads all at once, okay? It's just one of really cool tip and trick you can pick using the twin tip brush, and then you can pick more than just one bead. And you can add some random cute beads in there. Add more, less, is up to you. All right, happy with this? We are going to clear this beauties for 60 seconds. No crystal